Here we have two different feature Terex models. The first one is to detect the bad boxes and the good ones and send it to the next model. The second one will help us with two pistons to take out the bad boxes to a zone and send the good boxes to the next area. So if we want to start the process, we need to select a green button on the HMI so we can start the process. So to take out one of the boxes, we need to select a yellow button on our HMI. So we will start with the first box. And in this case, we have a bad box. So as we can see, the piston will activate and would send the box to the zone. And, and then it will go back again. So this is what happens when we have a bad box. So now we're going to show it when we have a good box. And in this case, when we have a good box, none of the pistons will activate. So it will send the box to the next process. Okay. So now, as we can see, we have the zone 1 full. So now we need to see what happens when we have another box, a bad box. And in this case, we have it. So it will send this box to the other zone that we have empty. There is the zone number 2. Now, in this last box that we have is a good one. So we can see both of the zones are full and this is a good box. So this will just send it to the next process. We want to make like a test. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take the first box of the zone number 1 and to see what happens when we send a new bad box on a new, on a zone that is empty. And in this case, it's going to happen the same as the last time because it's a bad box and we have a zone that is empty. It will just send the box to the zone and continue the process. Our first sensor is a position sensor. The problem is that it's not working right now, so we need to activate it on the HMI. As well, here on the side, we have two magnetic sensors, the white ones. These magnetic sensors will help us to detect the metallic part on the bottom of the boxes. If a box passes through the sensor, it will send us an alarm. There is a bad box. We have a capacitive sensor. This will detect the metallic part that is in the side of the box. And well, here at the end, we will have a magnetic sensor. The magnetic sensors will tell us if the band is in the initial position. This band will send the boxes to the next module. And in the next module, we can see we have two capacitive sensors similar to this one. The sensor will activate the pistons so the box can go to the zone. In the zone, we have another magnetic sensor. Right? When one of the boxes goes to the zone, we can see the metallic part. It activates the LED, as we can see. So it's telling us that a box is in the zone and outside the zone. Here we can see the whole process of our project. Okay, so here on our left we have the HMI. We can control everything from here. We select the green button to start the process of the project. As we can see the band on the right, move it. If we select the red one, it will stop. And now we go to the green one. And we have another one, the yellow one. If we select it, it will send a box through the bands. Okay. In this case, our box is negative, so it will go directly to the check zone. Yep. Oh, as we can see, the HMI activates the LED zone on your left part. So we did a function every time. So what we did is that we select the yellow button, so it stays clicking, and our function, what it does is that it takes 6 seconds to send the other box. This is to prevent all the collisions or stacks of the boxes with the pistons. Yep. We can see how both of the zones now are full, and we can send them to the zone. Now we go to the HMI and we can see the total amount of boxes, the boxes that are wrong, and the percentage of the boxes, as well as we can see that both of the zones are full. So we're going to do a test. So if we take the boxes, you can see how the zones deactivate. We're going to put one, it goes. So we're going to do it again. And well, to the end, if we select the red button, it will stop the process.